Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change windshield wipers on an Acura ILX. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades. Typically, the driver's side is 26 inches and the passenger's side is 19 inches. Park your vehicle safely and turn off the engine. Then, carefully lift both wiper arms away from the windshield until they stand upright, being mindful of their spring-loaded nature. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look closely at where the wiper blade meets the arm. You'll find a small release tab or button. Press or lift this tab to disengage the blade from the arm's hook. Once released, gently slide the old blade downwards and off the arm. Remember how it was attached, as this will help with the new installation. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, confirming it's securely fastened. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's locked in place and won't come loose during operation. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto your Acura ILX's windshield. Turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers with some washer fluid. Watch them closely to ensure they operate smoothly, without any streaking or unusual noises. This confirms proper installation and provides clear visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.